Let's solve some more problems using partial differentiation. Let's say x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. We have to show that dou r by dou x is equal to x by square root of x square plus y square, and dou r by dou y is equal to y by square root of x square plus y square. Okay, now how do we go about doing this? Somewhere you have x square plus y square. Yes, you need to remember your trigonometry. In that we would have seen this. This is x, this is y, this is r. Yes, and this is theta. So if you remember this, immediately you know that we have to use r square is equal to x square plus y square. If you have any doubt, what you can do is do the actual squaring. So x square is r square cos square theta plus r square sin square theta. R square is common, so cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is 1. So you are left with r square. Right? So that means this is correct. So r square is equal to x square plus y square. Now we just partially differentiate it. Let's do it with respect to x. Now to do it with respect to x, since we just don't have r, we have to differentiate r square. So it will become 2r dou r by dou x is equal to, now we are differentiating with respect to x, so y is a constant. So this becomes 2x. So dou r by dou x is equal to 2x by 2r. 2 gets cancelled, so we are left with x by r. And remember, r is nothing but square root of x square plus y square. Similarly, to partially differentiate it with respect to y, what do we do? 2r dou r by dou y is equal to, now x square will be constant, so it will become 0, and we will end up with 2y. So dou r by dou y is equal to 2y by 2r. So y by r, which is y by x square plus y square. Okay, now another one. Now we looked at it from r perspective. So dou r by dou x dou y. Now let's look at it from the angle point of view. So we have to show that dou theta by dou x is equal to minus y by x square plus y square, and dou theta by dou y is equal to x by x square plus y square. Okay, again you have to remember, right, this is x, this is y, this is theta. So we require a ratio in which both x and y appear. So that is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So y by x. Yes. So now that we have y by x, we partially differentiate. Tan theta, when we differentiate, first we take care of tan and then the theta. So this will be sec square theta times dou theta by dou x is equal to, remember this can be written as y x to the power of minus 1. So minus 1 y x minus 1 minus 1. So minus y x minus 2, which is y by x square. Right? Just in case these things should happen in your mind. Okay, so now which means dou theta by dou x is equal to minus y by x square sec square theta. Now sec square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. Now remember, tan theta is y by x. So tan square theta will be y square by x square. So minus y by x square 1 plus y square by x square. So when we open this bracket, what will happen? X square times 1 is x square plus x square times y square by x square will be y square. Similarly, we have to do it with respect to y. So tan theta is equal to y by x. Now we have to differentiate it with respect to y. Tan first, so sec square theta, and then theta. So that is dou theta by dou y. And this would be what? Y is 1. So y 1 by x. Dou theta by dou y is equal to 1 by x sec square theta. This again can be written as x times 1 plus tan square theta, and this becomes x times 1 plus y square by x square, which is 1 by x plus xy square by x square. So this square and this x will get cancelled, and we are left with what? 1 by, so y square by x. So again we take a LCM. So this becomes x square plus y square, which is equal to x by x square plus y square. See, if you can do some of these steps in your mind, nothing like it. Okay. Now, that was the second problem. Let's look at the third problem. Dou r by dou x, the whole square, plus dou r by dou y, the whole square, is equal to 1. Now, dou r by dou x we have already done. Yes. What is that? That is x by square root of x square plus y square. And dou r by dou y also we have done. That is y by square root of x square plus y square. So, which means if we are doing this problem independently, we have to do all the steps. But since we have done those steps, let's continue from there. So, dou r by dou x is nothing but x by square root of x square plus y square, the whole square, plus dou r by dou y is what? Y by square root of x square plus y square, the whole square. So let's look at LHS. Now what happens? Becomes x square by x square plus y square, plus y square by x square plus y square. The square root disappears and the numerator becomes square. Now, since the denominators are same, the numerators can just be added up. So x square plus y square. So if we both get cancelled, and we are left with 1, which is equal to RHS. Okay, let's look at the next one. Again, continuing with the same premise, that is r is equal to x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. We have to show that dou square r by dou x square plus dou square r by dou y square is equal to 1 by r dou r by dou x the whole square plus dou r by dou y the whole square. Now We know r square is equal to x square plus y square. We know dou r by dou x is equal to what? 2r is equal to 2x. So that means dou r by dou x is equal to x by r, which is x by square root of x square plus y square. Now we have to differentiate this again with respect to x. So what will happen? Dou square r by dou x square is equal to square root of x square plus y square times 1 minus. Now to keep the calculation simple, let's do one thing. Let's go back here and let's not substitute r. Okay, let it be like this. So now what happens? Dou square r by dou x square is equal to x times 1 by r. So if we take this, let me write it here, is equal to x times 1 by r. If we do it like this, then what happens? X we differentiate. So 1 times 1 by r plus, now x remains as it is, 1 by r becomes minus 1 by r square, and then dou r by dou x. So this becomes 1 by r minus 1 by x by r square dou r by dou x. Now dou r by dou x is what? Is nothing but x by r. So this becomes 1 by r minus x square by r cube. Okay. So we have got this dou square r by dou x square. Now we have to figure out dou square r by dou y square. So again, r square is equal to x square plus y square. 2r dou r by dou y is equal to 2y. So dou r by dou y is equal to y by r. Now we again partial differentiate it. So dou square r by dou y square is equal to, again we can write this as y times 1 by r. So we differentiate y, that becomes 1. So 1 by r plus y as it is, 1 by r becomes minus 1 by r square, and dou r by dou y. So 1 by r minus y by r square, and dou r by dou y is y by r. So 1 by r minus y square by r cube. Okay, now let's continue with this. Dou square r by dou x square plus dou square r by dou y square. Let's add these two. So 1 by r minus x square by r cube. Yes, and then plus 1 by r minus y square by r cube, which is equal to what? So 2 by r minus x square plus y square by r cube. Yes. Now 1 by r is common. 2 by r minus x square plus y square is what? R square by r cube. X square plus y square is r square. So this and this gets cancelled. So we are left with, denominator is same. So 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1 by r. Now this was LHS. Now let's look at RHS. Now dou r by dou x the whole square plus dou r by dou y the whole square, 1 by r. Now this would be equal to what? 1 by r times x by r the whole square plus y by r the whole square. 1 by r, this becomes x square by r square plus y square by r square. This becomes r, 1 by r, r square x square plus y square. Remember, r square is nothing but x square plus y square. So these two get cancelled out and we are left with 1 by r. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. 1 by r, 1 by r. Dou square r by dou x square times dou square r by dou y square. We have to show that it is equal to dou square r by dou x dou y the whole square. Now dou square r by dou x square is what? Is 1 by r minus x square by r cube. There is a minus sign times. Now dou square r by dou y square, which is 1 by r minus y square by r cube. Yes. Now let's continue with this LHS itself. 1 by r square minus y square by r4 minus x square by r4 plus x square y square by r6, which is equal to x square plus y square by r4 plus x square y square by r6. Now let's take r6 out. So this would become r4 minus this would become, we have to multiply it with r square plus x square y square. I missed x square plus y square. X square plus y square plus x square y square. Okay, 1 by r to the power of 6. This becomes r4 and x square plus y square is r square. So r square times r square is r4 plus x square y square. These two gets cancelled and we are left with x square y square by r to the power of 6. Now this was left hand side. Now let's look at RHS. Now RHS is what? Dou square r by dou x dou y the whole square. So first what do? We look at dou r by dou y. So dou r by dou y is equal to what? Y by r. We have already done this. Dou square r by, now we differentiate this with respect to x. So dou x dou y. So we are left with minus y by r square times dou r by dou x. Take it step by step. Y times, this can be written as y times 1 by r. Right, so y remains as it is to begin with and r becomes r square in the denominator. Dou r by dou x. Okay. Now dou r by dou x is what? Is nothing but x by r. So this becomes minus xy by r cube. Now remember, this whole thing has to be squared. So dou square r by dou x dou y the whole square is equal to minus x square y square. This minus becomes plus by r cube becomes r6, which is equal to LHS. Just take it step by step by step. Don't make arithmetic mistakes. Don't make algebraic mistakes. Now the last one. Dou square theta by dou x square plus dou square theta by dou y square is equal to 0. We have to show this. Now dou square theta. Dou theta by dou x was what? Dou theta by dou x was minus y by r square. Yes. Now we have to differentiate it with respect to x again, plus dou square theta by dou y is what? X. Dou theta by dou y is x by x square plus y square. And we have to differentiate with respect to y. So let's differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, again I missed this. X square plus y square is nothing but r square, right? Okay, so let's do this. Minus y times 1 by r square is there, minus 2 by r cube times dou r by dou x, plus here what will it be? Here it will be again x times minus 2 by r cube times dou r by dou y. Now let's simplify this. 2y by r cube x by r minus 2x by r cube. Now dou r by dou y is what? Y by r. Okay, so this becomes 2xy by r4 minus 2xy by r4, and this is equal to 0. I think that's enough for today. Bye for now.